I'll show you how you can lock application on Windows for free. First off, you want to go to your browser here when you want to search up program blocker like this. Once you search up program blockers, you want to download the first one that appears here, which is g7xtech.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will see that is what it will look like. And then you just want to scroll down a little bit until you find the download button, which should be either here. So tap on download. Once you tap on download, wait for it to download. On here, you will find the zip. So let's just go ahead and open it real quick. Once you have opened it, let's just go ahead and extract it. Let's just go use 7-zip and then extract here. Once that's done, we can go ahead and open it. Tap on yes. Once you have opened it, let's just wait for it to load for a little bit. Once it is open, you'll see an interface that looks like this. Now, how we block a program is that, for example, I don't want my kid to be opening Laracon, so they don't fall into the computer science hole. Let's just go ahead and clap on right click and then open file location. On open file location, you want to go ahead and just go ahead and rename. And then you want to double click on the name, press on Ctrl C, go ahead and close it. On here, program exe name, go ahead and paste the name. And you want to tap on block program. And then that's it, you're done.